relations and functions, second chapter. The first topic in this is Cartesian product of the two sets. Based on the Cartesian product of the two sets, we are going to have the exercise 2.1. The first question is given to you that two Cartesian products are given to you as equal. So very simple here. First question is x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3 and asking you to find out value of x. If two coordinates में बोलना है, ये क्या है? Ordered pair. Two ordered pairs are equal. If the two ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding means first element is equal to first one. So x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. And y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So from this you will get x by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. X by 3 is equals to 5 minus 3 by 3. X by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. So x is equals to 2 here. In the same way, y is equals to y minus 2 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus, so y is equals to 3 by 3. So y is equals to, but x and y values are asking to find. समझ में आया ना? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second problem, see, if a set A has a 3 elements and B is having the 3, 4, 5, find the number of elements in A cross B. Very simple question. Tell me. Yes, 3, एक में 3 number बोल दिया, second set में 3 number नहीं बोला है, 3 elements दे दिया, but number of elements in A cross B is asked. Number of elements in A cross B is number of elements in the first set into number of elements in second set. 3 into 3, 9 elements would be. Third question is given to you, G is equals to 7, 8, H is equals to 5, 4, 2, G cross H and H cross G find out. Simple है ना? Find out कर सकते हैं. Fourth question, state whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, write the given statement correct. So first question is given, P is containing the set M comma N and Q containing the elements N comma M. Then P cross Q is equals to Mn comma Nm. Is it true? Question number 4 है ना? Fourth में first one. What is given here? P is equals to set which containing the M comma N and Q is the set containing the N comma N. Then in this situation, what is P cross Q? P cross Q, we are going to get it as ordered pairs A with these two elements. That means it is given to you M comma N comma M only. But apart from that, you are going to have the still more element. So M comma N, M comma M. ये M comma M also should be included. Next, N comma N, N comma M. This is the correct of, but better you again commas, because this is also set. Cartesian product of the two sets is also a set, but that set contains the elements. Which type of elements? Ordered pairs. It contains the elements ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. Okay. Clear है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, in that second word, A and B are the two non-empty sets. A cross B is also non-empty set of ordered pairs x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Yes. सही है ना? X first element should be from the first set, second element should be from the second set. Okay. Third question is A is given 1 comma 2, B is given to you 3 comma 4. A cross B intersection C. So what is B intersection C? B intersection C nahi hai, B intersection 5. Intersection of a set with an empty set. Anyone? What is this equal to? B intersection empty set.
Null.
Again null set only. So that is also again null set because intersection is nothing but common elements should be there. इसमें कुछ elements होगा, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली है. So then we need to take the empty set only we are going to take. Now what is the question asking to you? A cross B intersection pi is equals to A cross pi. Already we have learned if two sets में एक set empty set हो गया, then you can say that the Cartesian product of the two sets is also empty set. So third question is right in the fourth. Fifth one is given to you. A is given minus 1 comma 1. Simple questions only. All these questions are not very complicated. They are very simple here. Set A is given to you. Fifth question easily you can do it. Can you do it? Set A is given to you as a 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. And asking to you to find out A cross A cross A. A cross A cross A. So what to do here? Minus 1 comma. How do you write here? The
Ordered
three.
triplet.
Yes, ordered triplets we need to take into consider. In the ordered triplet also minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 ले लो. ये दोनों कॉमन रखो, ये ले लो दोबारा. So that means minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. ये दोनों के साथ ये हो गया. Next, इसके साथ see here if you are getting confused, simply first one minus 1 as it is रख. ये minus 1 रख के बाकी सब ये दोनों को combinations लिखते जाओ. minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma plus 1 ये minus 1 again minus 1 comma as it is रखो. minus 1 comma 1 हो गया. अब 1 comma minus 1 1 comma minus 1 again minus 1 लिखो. 1 comma 1. अब with the minus 1 all the combinations are complete. With a minus 1 again 1 with 1 comma same minus 1 comma minus 1 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. ये दोनों change नहीं हो रहे, only first one is changing. These only the combinations we are going to get. 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this is the 8 elements will be there in this multiple product. It is called multiple product. इसको multiple product बोलते हैं. Okay. Next, sixth question is given to you. A cross B is equals to is given to you. Set is given to you. A cross B is given to you. So what is A cross B is given to you in this Cartesian product of the two sets A cross B is equals to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X and B comma Y. So what is A and B is asking you to find out. Find A and B. First elements all you write together. That is A. So A is equals to, you are not supposed to write. Set property क्या है? One element cannot be written more than once. So A comma A नहीं लिखना. A comma B. And set B क्या होगा? X comma Y. That's all. Simple question है ना? Huh? Next, in this seventh question is given to you. A is 1 comma 2, B is 1 2 3 4, C is 5 comma 6, D 5 6 7 8. Verify that A cross B intersection C is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. What is this property called? What is this property called? A cross B intersection C. What is that property called? Just now we have discussed. Anyone? What is that property called?
Distributive.
Distributive property over intersection. Distributive over union will be there. Distributive over difference will be there. Distributive here intersection के ऊपर है, सही है. So B is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, and set C is given to you 5, 6, and set D is given to you 5, 6, 7, 8. All are very simple. The first question is asking you to verify that A cross B intersection C. It is verified, asking to verify you this one is equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. So what you need to find out here first, B intersection C find out. LHS फाइंड आउट करने से पहले B इंटरसेक्शन C चाहिए. तो B and C का कॉमन एलिमेंट्स क्या है? There is no common elements, so this is an empty set. ये empty set हो गया. Okay. Now A cross B intersection C क्या होगा? This is also an empty set because ये तो empty set है ना. A cross empty set. A cross empty is equals to empty. So this is LHS. LHS is an empty set. Okay. Now RHS. RHS, how do you, before finding RHS, you need to find out individually A cross B and A cross. A cross B find out करो. So A cross B find out करने के ये दोनों को Cartesian product. So you are going to get very big 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. This is A. In the same way, A cross C find out करो. A and C. So 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. So whether ये दोनों का intersection find out करो, that is RHS. A cross B intersection A cross C. So what is the intersection of these two sets? There is no common elements in both the sets. ये दोनों में common कुछ भी नहीं है. So then you can say that as they are having the no element common. So this is RHS. Now LHS and RHS both are equal. And next continuation is that A cross C is the subset of B cross D. A cross C find out already कर दिया. B cross D find out करो. Extra क्या करना है? We need to find out B cross D. So what is B cross D? We will get B is having 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. This is B cross D. Isn't it? Now all these elements are present in this or not? 1, 5, 1, 6. 1, 5, 1, 6 is there. 2, 5, 2, 6. 2, 5, 2, 6 is there. So since all the elements are present, you can say that A cross C. A cross C is subset to B cross D. Whether this subset or not. Very simple questions है इसमें, ज़्यादा complicated नहीं. 8th question is here. A is equals to 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4. Write A cross B. How many subsets will have the A cross B will have, and list them. A cross B का subsets is asking you to list. How many elements will be there A cross B? 4 elements है ना, 2 into 2. 4 elements will be there. So a very simple question this one also. A is having the elements 1, 2, and B is having the elements 3, 4, and asking you to find out A cross B. A cross B is equals to 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. इसका सारा subsets is all the subsets you need to write. Okay. Subsets of A cross B. First subset is empty set. Empty set is subset to every set. So empty set is subset. Second set is all elements, one element, singleton sets take. So 1, 3. Third, 1, 4. आप नंबर लिखना है तो लिख सकते हैं, नहीं है तो नहीं लिख सकते. ये पूरा लिस्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं. So it is नंबर लिखना थोड़ा सा टाइम लग रहा है. 2, 3 single element. Next 2, 4. सिंगल एलिमेंट इज ओवर एंड डबल एलिमेंट्स. सो डबल में 1,3 के साथ रिमेनिंग ऑल 1,3 1,4. नेक्स्ट 1,3 2,3 1,3 2,4 1,3 के साथ कटना और 1,4 के साथ 1,4 के साथ 1,3 ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट है ना. सेट में 2 elements if you write in any order same one, so you should come move forward on 1,4, 2, and 1,4, 2, 4. Next 2, 3, 2, 4. These are the double element sets. Can anyone tell me how many subsets will have this set? Already we have learned number of subsets of the set. Number of subsets of the set. 4 elements है तो इसका कितना सबसेट्स होगा? Yes, 2 power 4. 2 power 4. Total subsets 2 power 4, that is 16 है. So इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 हो गए. Still 5. So 3 elements unit, and one is completely, this one also is a subset of that. So 3 elements का combination लेंगे. So that is 1,3, 1,4, 2,3. Next with 1,3, 1,4, 2,4. 1,3 as it is रखो. ये दोनों हो गया, ये दोनों हो गया, ये दोनों. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next with a combination of these three. 1,4, 2,3, 2,4. Next, finally, this A cross B as it is. This 16 sets हो गए. Like this list is asking you to find. Ninth question is A and B are the two non-empty sets such that N of A equal to 3, N of B equal to 2. And if X comma 1, X comma 2, Z comma 1 are in A cross B, find A comma B. ये क्या होगा? X, Y, Z होगा. B क्या होगा? 1, 2. Very simple है ना. Second element should be taken into consideration. Find A and B. And where X comma Y comma Z distinct element, different elements है, वो different element बोला. Simple question है, उसमें देख के लिख सकते हैं. Okay. So last 10th question is Cartesian product of the two sets A cross A is 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross. Can you tell me? Very interesting question this is. This one question is there. What is the question given to you? A cross A will have the 9 elements. A cross A will have the 9. So N of A cross A is equals to 9 elements. And it is going to have the 2 elements are given to you. What are the 2 elements? -1, 0 belongs to A cross A. And 0, 1 belongs to A cross. That means A will contain the elements -1, 0. And this A will contain the elements 0 and 1. That means -1, 0, 1. 3 elements are there in here. As per the now, what is find A? A find out करने के बाद A cross A लिखने के लिए A cross A पूरा लिखो. -1, -1. 9 elements लिख सकते हैं ना? So that you can do it. So complete that one. 2.1 exercise.